Hello my dear student. See, right now we are studying classification of polynomial on the basis of their degrees. In the previous video I have explained you the definition of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. Now in this video lecture I will explain you constant polynomial definition as well as zero polynomial definition. So first I am writing constant polynomial. Now what is a constant polynomial? A polynomial of degree 0. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Is called a constant polynomial. For example, if I write px equals 7, so what I have written right now, px equals 7. The first thing is, पहली बात तो यहाँ पर कोई वेरिएबल ही नहीं है. डिग्री किसका चेक होता है? वेरिएबल का, करेक्ट. और सपोज अब देखो यहाँ पर वेरिएबल नहीं है तो ऑब्वियस हम उसका डिग्री नहीं चेक कर सकते. दैट इज वाई व्हाट यू हैव रिटन, अ पॉलिनॉमियल ऑफ डिग्री 0 इज कॉल्ड अ कांस्टेंट पॉलिनॉमियल. ऑल्सो सपोज इफ यू राइट एनी वेरिएबल ओवर हियर, यू आर बाउंड टू पुट पावर 0. कोई वेरिएबल लिखते भी हैं आप तो आपको यहाँ पर उसका पावर 0 ही रखना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज ये जो पॉलिनॉमियल है वही चेंज हो जाएगा. यस और नो? सो x पावर 0 इज व्हाट? 1. तो देख लो, a polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Some other example, if I write rx, this is equal to -2 and so on. So this is the definition of constant polynomial. Now the next definition is zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. This is the last definition. Now what is a zero polynomial? A polynomial having only one term, having only one term as 0 is called a zero polynomial. Is called a zero polynomial. Px equal 0. This is called what? A polynomial containing only one term as 0 is called zero polynomial. Now there is one question, what is the degree of this zero polynomial? So the answer will be the degree of this zero polynomial is not defined. Degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Why? The reason is, suppose, see, anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. Suppose I write x over here, I have written variable x over here and the power of x over here is 0. So over here the power of the degree of this zero polynomial is 0, but with this 0 I can write x power 1. X power 1 into 0, this will again give 0. With this 0 again I can multiply x power 2. With this 0 again I can multiply x power 3. तो बात ही हो रही कि भाई आप कोई कंक्लूजन में पहुंच रहे हो, यहाँ पर नहीं पहुंच पा रहे ना. यहाँ पर पावर 0 है, यहाँ पर डिग्री 0, यहाँ 1, यहाँ 2, यहाँ 3. सो वी कैन नॉट रीच टू एनी कंक्लूजन. दैट इज़ वाई वी राइट डिग्री ऑफ ज़ीरो पॉलिनॉमियल is not defined. ठीक है. So in this way we have completed classification of a polynomial on the basis of their degrees. Now in the next video we will start exercise 2.1. okay, so hope you have understood this basic portion related to chapter number 2, polynomials. Please note down these two definitions.